Good afternoon. I am Jennifer Martinez. I'm a student development teacher. I practice my knowledge with an interview about teacher portfolio with Cecilia teacher and who works at Andres Bello School. And we will talk about teacher portfolio, and these my questions. Do you design your teacher portfolio?
Of course, I think that is very important.
What do you include in gaining this process?
Well, some experience, and the most important is that you can look how I do my job and what I teach.
And what include does your teaching portfolio have?
Maybe some evidences, reflections, and some works done by the student too.
Yeah. And strange and weakness you can find in professional development for language teachers?
Strange, I think that the students like to learn English.
Yeah.
But weakness is that in San Alberto there isn't a place where the student can practice listening, talking or speaking, writing, reading. That is very important.
Yeah. And in your institution, do English teachers have development strategies as an evaluation component and foreign language teachers?
Well, there are only 2 teachers. I work with Malena teachers. She helps me and vice versa.
Yeah. And did you have the opportunity to self-evaluate and collaborate with colleagues in your institution?
So I evaluate myself, but only for or in order to find my mistakes.
Yeah. And who would you describe your teaching journal experience?
Well, I write the contents for the class.
Yeah.
What materials do you need for that? Maybe video beam or tape record.
Yeah.
Dynamics.
Yes. And what artifacts are essential for a teaching journal?
Well, I think that is very important, video beam, because it's a new technology. And tape record for listening.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Thank you so much.